Oh my gosh.
Hurry! Touch my toes.
Oh yeah, ours.
Oh, there goes the big one, Dylan. Look at it.
Oh my gosh. It might reach up to here. What if a shark, like the wave got so high and you can see like a shark in the wave?
You ever seen that photo of like the big wave and the big old, the bunch of seaweed everywhere in it?
Yeah.
It looks hecka scary, huh?
It does. Oh my god.
We saw a dead seal.
Yeah, it's bit by a shark. It's all the way over there. I think. Yeah.
I see it.
No, you don't.
No. Yeah, it's all the way over there.
Yeah. Nope. He's got a shell. Ah! Oh gosh. You almost touched me.
There it goes.
Oh gosh.
Oh my God,
Oh, why is it yellow? Is that pee? Look, is that pee?